still showing love, you hear me? Show love to my bro channel, y'all. No cap, came to the live, you hear me? No cap. That's how we doing, y'all. We popping out. We popping out. You hear me? Oh, there go my bro, you hear me, y'all? Certified soldier, you hear me? We go get it, y'all already. My bro, I already pop out, rock out. We ain't playing no games, y'all. We stay showing love. You did. We the best channel, y'all. Yeah, show love on both of them. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, when you go to that channel, be like, damn, that boy ain't playing. Yeah, we live on both channels. You hear me? Yeah, we ain't playing no game. Bopping. You hear me? Anybody want to show love to their channel, you better pop out right now. You hear me? I don't know what that mean, but say, man, we showing love. Appreciate everybody out. No cap, man. You hear me? Appreciate it. Yeah, it is. Pop out, y'all. Hating ain't nothing but motivation. Keep it rocking. You hear me? Yes, sir. We ain't playing no game. Yeah, y'all. We doing good. You hear me? No cap, y'all. Let me make sure. You hear me? We turning up, y'all. You hear me? We might be at 90 now. You hear me? We acting bad. Appreciate everybody. I'm finna drop these videos too, y'all. I'm finna drop them like hot sauce. I need to go put the phone back on the charger. This shit be going like crazy. But yeah, y'all, pop out, rock out. We the best channel. I been trying to tell y'all, man. You be safe and represent your channel. We the best. We the best. No cap. Appreciate everybody, y'all. You already know how we doing. I told y'all. Didn't I tell y'all? Popcorn. Look. Say y'all, check that numbers out now. Y'all see the numbers now? 50, man, we just need 5 more subscribers, y'all. We be at 56 and 2K. You hear me? I told y'all, man. We finna be on Cooking with Love, y'all. We finna be at 56 and 2K, y'all. You hear me? We the best, man. I'm God, dog, y'all. Much love to everybody. Please subscribe, y'all. I'm telling y'all, today I'm dropping shit with no title. I'm just dropping that shit. You hear me? Dropping this shit, y'all. These people watching videos, man. They don't care about no titles and shit. They don't care if you just title that bitch, I shot my mama. They still gonna watch that bitch. You hear me? So that's what I'm proving today. People just watching videos. I'm gonna give them a damn what you title that motherfucker. They just watching this shit and swiping to the next one. So I'm gonna show y'all this shit. You hear me? Dropping this shit. No title. This day. And watch this channel still go up. You hear me? No cap. We setting trends. You hear me? That's what we doing. You hear me? We ain't following nobody else. We setting trends. You hear me? So we finna pop it today. I'm dropping shit with no title, just date. Ain't trying to worry about nothing else. Watch this shit still get looked at. Why? This is entertainment. Gosh, I wish y'all understand that. That's why I try to tell y'all, drop these videos, man. These people ain't worried about what the hell you saying on. No, they looking at the video. They can put that bitch on mute for all they give a damn. They just looking at the video. You hear me? Y'all better stop playing. It's okay. Y'all gonna see. Cause y'all see we at what? 95. I just need 5 more. I'm telling y'all, man. I already dropped them with no title. I'm just showing y'all. You hear me? And let me see how many did I drop. Let me see. How many did I drop with no title? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I dropped 5 of them already with no title. Them hoes still getting looked at. It don't matter, y'all. These people watching. It's just a video. You hear me? Period. But hey, you know, drop that shit. You hear me, y'all? I'm telling y'all, just drop it. But it's okay. Be yourself and keep it up. You hear me? Be yourself. Drop that shit, y'all. You hear me? No cap. Appreciate everybody, y'all. Look, we just went up again. Y'all. We at 6. You hear me? We at 6. It was at 5. We at 6. Already. Oh yeah, man. Much love. I got a lot of subscribers. You hear me? I got a lot of subscribers from Russia, man. Say they show mad love. No cap, man. Much love from Dallas, Texas, man. Oh yeah, man. Much love, man. Russia in the house, man. No, what? Come on with it, man. Yeah. Thumbs up to Russia in the house. Bang, man. We don't play no game. Oh, yeah. We dropping videos today. You no cap, y'all. Appreciate everybody, y'all. No cap. Everybody go subscribe. You hear me? Drop your video. Be your channel. You hear me? That's what it's all about, y'all.